客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here's a song called 大死, which means lion dance. We usually see this during Lunar New Year holiday, but right now, let's learn about the Hakka lions, which is a little bit different from what we've seen, because the Hakka lions have faces on the side, with the larger one being the god of wealth and the smaller faces of auspicious monkeys on the other side. Now you know more about the Hakka lion? Let's take a listen to iColor's 大死 right here on ICRT.
台面呢，西面呢，两沙上高了，太太细细电脑热看大师按风光，左右摇摆起上什么脚踏西上铺，开车手车咬枪咬脸打进了电影下，一瞬好的你哦，向前团结改进时。大师啊大师，锣鼓响连天，谁谁狂谁谁狂，满天闹连连。大师啊大师，威风有点险，枪动枪动枪动，龙枪传涌都蔓延。台面呢，西面呢，两沙上高了，太太细细电脑热看大师按风光，左右摇摆起上什么脚踏水相扑，开车手车咬枪咬脸打进了电影下，一瞬好的你哦，向前团结改进时。大师啊大师，锣鼓响连天，谁谁狂谁谁狂，满天闹连连。大师啊大师，威风有点险，枪动枪动枪动，龙枪传涌都蔓延。
青色的头，方形的嘴，这就是客家诗的特色。而这首艾克勒 iColor 的大死呢，就是在讲舞龙舞狮。而客家诗有另外一个特色，就是代表着财神的大面，还有吉祥猴的小面呢，会在旁边陪衬的演出，非常可爱。这首歌呢，也是希望借此呢来祝福所有的人喽。Hope you're feeling blessed after listening to that song by iColor called 大死 about the Hakka lion dance. I am Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.